Hey everyone, Jamie from Burn Media Co. here. I just wanted to share with you one really quick tip for making sure that your page's posts make it to the top of your followers' feeds. So what you're going to just simply direct your followers to do is add your page to see first. So the way that people can do that is on mobile, they're just going to click these three little bars, scroll all the way to the bottom to settings, newsfeed preferences, and they can prioritize who to see first. So all they have to do is pick your page. So for example, I'm going to pick this Burn Bootcamp location, make that one of the first things I see when I log into Facebook when there are new posts. Once I do that, from now on, that page's posts will show up first in my feed, making sure that I get as much organic reach on Facebook as possible. I hope this was helpful. If so, make sure you give this video a like, a thumbs up, comment, share it with somebody, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.